Hello everyone, welcome to the Web3 Education Investment. Today in this video, let's talk about the KSM staking. So I do got some KSM and let's say like I want to stake them. So I'm going to go over all different kinds of platform and their APY for the KM staking. And finally, I'm going to demo how you can do that. So the first one is the Needle. So in the Needle, they can do the Kusama and the KSM staking. And actually the Needle can also support other stakings. This one, like the APY would be around 21.44, around 21%. The second one is a Moonwell. That's built on the Moonbeam. Moonwell, they have Apollo. And in that dApp, they do have the Kusama staking, and this staking the APY is 15.42. So it's a little bit lower than Needle. The third one would be Paranet Finance. By the way, Paranet Finance, like they just have the C dot. Actually not this one. Sorry. So for the Paranet Finance, they do need the C dot 815. That's a third round of auction, right, for the Chrono. So they just need that, so you can use this one. It's just today, I think. But anyway, like let's check their staking. So Kusama staking. So if you use Paranet Finance, their APY is 28. So that's higher than others. This include 23% APY plus the lending of your like lending your KSM. So basically, if you stake, you are gonna get the SKSM, and then you can lend it to earn actual rewards. So this is the total APY. The next one would be the Karura. So that's Arcana team. The Karura, if you go to their dApp, to the LP staking, so to here, this is the staking for the KSM, the rewards. Actually, the Arcana, their rewards is high now, so it's 30%. So looks like that's a good place. Looks like the APY is quite high. It's even a little bit higher than Paranet Finance, Paranet Heiko. But you know, like I already tried both of them. I already tried Paranet Finance and Karura. So today in this video, I'm going to demo how to contribute to the JS wallet. So just do the staking to the Polkadot or to the Kusama relay chain directly. So just in case, this is just the educational purpose, just in case some of you you want to try the JS version, right? If you want to minimize the risk, some of you want to spread the risk. So maybe it's a good idea actually to try different platform. And obviously this JS one would be the most secure, because that's the official one, right? If you trust KSM, trust Polkadot, do the staking, then this will be the safest. But of course, the APY is not as high as some other parachain. Like those are the Paranet Finance and the Karura is a layer 1 parachain. The Moonwell and I believe Needle as well, like they are kind of layer 2 because this is built on the Moonbeam, so it's not Moonbeam itself. So it's kind of layer 2, and normally their for the layer 2 their API should be higher. So anyway, let's just go ahead to demo how you can stake. So what you can do is go to the staking, and normally I just open 2 of them because later I may need to use that. Now just go to the targets, and you can filter out the target you want to have, right? So like you want to have identity or currently inactive. If you want to do that, so you can just filter out the validators like you want to nominate, and then now like they already rank that, they show you the return, and you can also see the um like the rewards and the with the figures, some stats basically. So looks like this one like they don't have many rewards, like it's not very consistent, but anyway, like after the filter, like you can choose several of them. So I'm going to go to the other one. Now you will see why I go this one, because I need to go to the I need to go to the accounts and then do the nominator, because I just want to do I just want to be the nominator and stake my KSM. So I just click the nominator and I will choose account. So this one, like, there will be two accounts. One is the stash, another one is controller. The stash would be just like your cold wallet. You normally you don't need to touch that much. The controller would be your hot wallet. That's one like you use that quite often. Um, Normally, like if you don't have many, like what I have it here, it's kind of okay. I think you can use both of them, but for the security, we still highly recommend you use two account. So the stash would be your cold wallet. You can stake more KSM, and you normally don't need to touch that. So here as a demo, I will just show you um how I'm going to just use this account, and I'm going to use okay, I will try to use this one as controller, but um okay, let's just use the same one. Let's use the same one for this one. I will just bound. Okay, I will contribute some KSM, right? Let's say we will just put maybe 6 of them. Let's try 6 first. And once you contribute that, once you stake them, there is an on-chain bonding duration. That means you have to wait at least 7 days to withdraw that. And this is a payment destination, so I will just use the stash account. But actually, both of them, they are the same here. So you have different options. You can choose controller account or the stash account. So I will just use the default option. And now you can see that they will ask you to put the nominator, like who you want to nominate. So I'm going to come here and just copy those address. We already ranked them. So you can copy several of them just in case like someday some of them it's not valid, right? So you still have some others to use. So anyway, like just keep going, get some of them. Sometimes it's kind of a slow. Okay, so copy and paste. Okay, all right, let's choose a few more. Okay, I don't use Coinbase, I don't think. Okay, maybe choose the one with a lot of people vote. Okay. All right, I think I got enough. Let's just go ahead and sign. Okay, I think that's it. Okay, now you can see that like for this account, this is a new one. I just um yeah, I just do the staking. And if you go back to your account, you can actually see that. For example, this one, um, 6 of them, they are right now bounded. And I also have some of them for the democracy. Or actually, like, you can lock them for longer time. For example, if you really want to stake for longer time, I have a good idea for you. Okay, so I'm going to show you how you can do that. Go to the democracy. And here just participate any of the referenda. Choose this one, right? And then like this is 6 of them, okay. And you can lock that. So this one would be the hard lock, so you cannot get it out. Okay, so I will show you, like, let's say I put 128. That's 4 months already. Let's just do that. Show you how you can do this one. Okay, so now it's locked, so you cannot use that anymore. If you really want to stake longer time, then I would recommend you should do that. So the same thing here. Just go ahead and then do that. Okay, and if you want to add more, for example, like go to the staking, right? And sometimes you go to the account, and then you realize, oh, I want to actually stake more. So here you can bond more fund and just add whatever like KSM you want to bond. I already bound some. I actually should bond more because I'm just afraid in this market. Like I want to sell that. Probably it's better like force myself to bond more and then wait for longer time, right, to support the ecosystem. But anyway, this is the one like for the educational purpose, just show you the comparison of KSM staking and also show you how you can stake that on the JS wallet. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.